In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually buy crypto and invest in any crypto of your choice on any exchange. And for this video, I'll be using the Bybit exchange. It is the same process whether you're using Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, BitGet, BingeX, WixApp, whatever exchange you are using, it is the same process. Now, before I go ahead and show you this whole process, why exactly am I making this video? Now, if you have been following my YouTube channel for a long time, or maybe you have been watching my videos for a long time, you know that every single month I make a video on the top 10 coins to buy or invest in. Now, a lot of you have been asking me in those videos that I should also make a video on how to actually buy these coins or invest in these coins on any exchange and actually keep them for long term, or actually to hold them on these exchanges. And that is why I am making this video. So this video might be for a lot of beginners, for a lot of people that are new to investing in crypto or new to buying their first crypto and holding or keeping for long. So if you're interested in that, please, this video is for you. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And also, I'll be showing you a way to actually use that your crypto to earn passive income for yourself so that it is not just idle on your exchange. So with that being said, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is my Bybit homepage, and the first thing you want to go ahead to do, if you don't have a Bybit account, please use the first link in the description of this video, or you see the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Bybit. So once you created the account on Bybit, go ahead and log in on the app, and you see this on the homepage. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy crypto or invest in crypto, the first thing you must obviously do is to make sure that you have USDT in your account or your exchange. Now, to have USDT in your account, there are basically two ways. Now, the first way is to actually buy USDT through P2P, and the second way is to actually transfer USDT from another exchange or maybe from another wallet you have to this your Bybit wallet or whatever exchange you are using. So in this case, don't forget I'm using Bybit, but it is the same process. So I'll be showing you how to use the P2P and how to also deposit crypto into your wallet on Bybit. But if you already have USDT, please just fast forward to where I'll be showing you how to buy this cryptocurrency and also how to use it to earn passive income for yourself. I'll be using the timeline, just check the timeline below. But for those of you that are new to crypto or new to Bybit or new to investing, please watch this process very well and make sure you don't miss any important information. Now, if you want to go ahead and deposit, just come here to where you have deposit right here. You can see where my cursor is, just click on it. Now, deposit crypto is the option where I said you can transfer crypto from another exchange to your Bybit wallet. And then P2P trading is where you can actually buy different cryptocurrencies like USDT from traders like you on the Bybit P2P trading page. So let's do that first. So if you want to do the Bybit P2P trading, just come here and click on it. So right here on the screen, the first thing you want to do is to click whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So since I'm buying USDT, I'll just click on buy. And then the next thing is to select the crypto you want to buy. So you have USDT here, but if you click on the options or the draw down, you have the different cryptocurrencies you can buy. So I'm buying USDT, just click on USDT. And then you come here to enter the amount. Now, before you enter the amount, please come here to where you have this NGN at the top right corner. Make sure that it is your local currency that is there. Very, very important. So if you click on this right here, search for your local currency and select it. Now, I'm in Nigerian, and that is why you will have NGN. So if I search for NGN, that's Nigerian Naira. So this is it right here. So that's why it is NGN, yes. So please, if you are not in Nigerian, make sure it is your local currency that is showing right here. So once you've seen that, come here and enter the amount. So what is the amount of USDT you want to buy in your local currency? So let's say I want to buy USDT of about, let's say 100,000 Naira. So I'll just say 100,000 Naira, for example, 100,000 Naira here. So and then just click on confirm. Now you can see right here, it is showing you all the traders that can actually sell USDT to you within the range of 100,000 Naira. So you can see right here, this first person is selling between 50,000 Naira to 178,000 Naira. This one is selling between 100,000 Naira to 475,000 Naira right here, and so on. Now, the next thing you want to do is to click the payment methods. So you come here to where you have all payment methods, just click on it. And then right here on the screen, you have the different payment methods. So if you want to pay through bank transfer, just click on bank transfer right here, and then click on confirm at the bottom. And then right here on the screen, it also shows you the traders who can accept payment through bank transfer. Don't forget, you don't buy USDT, so you need to transfer Naira to the person. Now, before you pick the person you want to trade with, one more thing you need to do, come here to where you have this funnel right here. Just click on it. Now, once you click on it, please select the following. Select where you have show only verified advertisers. Why are you doing this? Because you want to trade with people who are verified by Bybit. Remember that there are a lot of people who are actually scamming or people on this Bybit P2P trading page. So you want to be careful to avoid them. So click on verified advertisers so that you're only trading with people who are verified by Bybit. Now, once you've selected that, the next thing, click on this show only eligible ads. Make sure that it is ticked too. That's the second one. And then the third one, come here to where you have this sort by and click on completion rate. So click on completion rate. You want to be trading with traders who have completed higher number of trades. So if you come here, click on confirm. So right here on the screen, you have the different traders you can actually trade with. If you look at this first person, this is the person's rate. So you can see the different rate right here. So if you want to trade with this first person, just come here and click on buy. You can see right here on the screen, the person with 1,383 rate has gone out just while it was reloading just now when I clicked on buy. So this is another person here. So this one's rate is 1,385. So let's go with that. Just click on buy right here. So right here on the screen, the next thing you want to do is to come here and enter the amount you are with fiat or with crypto. So if you enter it with fiat, it means that you want to enter the amount of money you want to transfer to the person, the exact amount. So let's for example, you want to transfer 100,000 to this person, just enter 100,000 right there. So this is the amount you are transferring to that person. Or let's for example, you want to put the amount of crypto you want to buy, the amount of USDT you want to buy. So you can use that option. Let's say for example, you want to buy, let's say 100 USDT. So for 100 USDT, this is the amount you will need to pay or send to the person, which is 138,500. So you can use any of these two options right here. So let's for example, I want to use the crypto option where I want to get, let's say I want to get 100 USDT. So for that, I'll be paying 138,500 naira. Now, once you've done that, you can see we've selected bank transfer. I'm paying with bank transfer. Now, once you've entered the details and you've read these advertiser terms right here, just come here to where you have buy. So I'll click on buy. So the next thing you just need to do is to go to your banking app and then transfer 138,500 to this person. So once you've done that, come back to this app and then click on payments completed. Please make sure that you send the money to the person first before you click on payment completed, please. So once you've done that, you will see the USDT in your wallet, in your funding wallet. So I'll go ahead and do that right now.
A few moments later.
So I've just done the transaction. I've sent the money to the person has confirmed it. So let's go back to my asset. So you want to check it, come here to where you have asset, just click on it. And then once you click on it, come here to where you have funding, because it will be in your funding wallet. Take note of that. So I'll click on funding. And then let me open it. So you can see right here we have 194 USDT. So that means that I had some USDT in the wallet before. So with the 138 or thereabout USDT I just got, that means that I have 194 USDT now on this account. So whatever USDT you get from your P2P, it will be in your funding wallet. Now that's the first option to get USDT into your Bybit account or whatever exchange you are using. Now the second method is to transfer from another exchange or another wallet to your Bybit wallet. Now for you to do that, just go back to the page, just go back to your asset page. So this is the asset page, just this asset page right here. Once you click on it, you see your asset right here. Then come here to where you have deposit, because you want to deposit crypto. So just click on this. And then you have two options again, the P2P and the deposit crypto. The P2P trading is what we just did. So just come here to where you have deposit crypto. And then right here on the screen, just search for the crypto you want to deposit. So for in this case, we need USDT. So just come here and click on USDT. If you want to deposit any other crypto of your choice, just search for it. So for this USDT, I'll just click on this. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to select the chain type or the network. So on some exchanges, you see it as chain type. On some other exchanges, you see it as network. So whichever one, they are the same. So what you just need to do is to pick one of these networks or chain types right here that you want to use. So let's, for example, I want to use TRC20. I'll just click on this. And then once you've picked that, it will be showing you your wallet address. So this wallet address is what you just need to copy from Bybit or whatever exchange you are using. Copy it and then go to that wallet where you have the USDT and paste it there and send the crypto. It's as simple as that. So I'll be showing you how to do that here. So I'll be using my, I think, BitGet or BingeX, either one of the two. I have USDT in those exchanges, so I'll just use any one of them and transfer to my Bybit account. So right here on the screen is the home page of my BitGet account. So I'll be using my BitGet. I'll be transferring from BitGet to my Bybit account. So let's go to my asset page. This is BitGet. Go to asset page, go to withdraw, because I'm withdrawing from BitGet to Bybit. So I just click on withdraw right there. We're using the on-chain withdrawal because they are transferring on-chain. That's the meaning. So I'll just click on that. Once you click on that, select the crypto you want to send. So I want to send USDT. So just click on USDT there. So what you need to do here is to paste the wallet address you copied from Bybit. So just come here and paste it. Okay, so I've pasted the wallet address. Then the next thing is to come here and pick the network. Don't forget it was TRC20 network. So click on this and search for it. This is it. So you can see the fee you'll be paying is 1.5 USDT. So just click on it there and then enter the amount you want to send. So I think I have 60 USDT here. So let's send, let's send 60. Let's send 60 USDT right there. So you can see the network fee is 1.5. The amount that will be credited to my Bybit is 58.5 USDT. So once you've seen that, just click on withdraw. And then right here, you ask you to confirm the withdrawal process, then click on confirm again.
A few moments later.
So in just 2 minutes, I've been able to get my USDT into my Bybit wallet. So let's check it. Also my funding wallet, just click on funding. Let me open it. So right now we have $253. So it has been added to the 190 something dollars I had earlier. So now I have 253 USDT in my funding wallet. Now, once you've done that, before I go to the next thing, please, if you have not liked this video, please like this video. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now, the next thing you want to do is to transfer this USDT from your funding account or your funding wallet to your unified trading account. Now, if you're using an exchange that has unified trading account, you need to transfer it from funding wallet to unified trading account. If you're using an exchange that still has spot wallet and futures wallet separately, then you need to transfer it to your spot wallet. So to do that, just come here and click on transfer. So I just click on transfer right there. And then the next thing you want to do, so you can see from funding to unified trading account, make sure it is like this, and then pick the coin. So it is USDT we are transferring. Let's say you want to transfer 200. You can transfer any amount, whatever amount you want to transfer, and then click on confirm. So transferred successfully. So let's check it out. So just come back here and then come to unified trading right here. So if you open it, you see that you have $308. So that means I had some USDT in this unified trading account too before. So that means together now we have 308 USDT. Now, once you've transferred your USDT there, the next thing is to go to your spot trading page. So let's go to the spot trading page. So you just come here to where you have trade, click on it. So once you click on it, at the top, come here to where you have spot. So this is the spot trading page right here. BTC is currently at around $60,000. So you can see it there. Now come here, just click on this. This is where you will take the trade. Now, after you've clicked on that, the next thing is to come here and search for the coin you want to buy or invest in. So I'll just come here to where you have this BTC USDT. Just click on it and search for the crypto you want to buy. So if you want to search for it, go ahead and type it. So let's, for example, you want to buy, let's say BTC. Let's just pick BTC for example. So I'll just come right here and search for BTC. It must be /USDT because it is spot trading. Please, you must put that slash icon. So just put it there. So this is it. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you the coin right here. So once you've seen that, come here to where you have buy because you are buying it. Now, once you click on buy, you click on market. Now, if you click on market, market means that you are buying this coin right now. You are buying it instantly. So that means that you are buying it instantly. You are buying it at the current price. But let's say, for example, you want to buy it at your own preferred price. Maybe you have a price you want to buy it. Maybe you are waiting for the price to maybe come down to like $59,000 or whichever price you prefer. Just come here to where you have a market and click on limit. So you see where you have limit, just click on limit right here. So if you click on limit, you put in your own preferred price that you want to buy it here. But for me, I want to buy it instantly. So if I want to buy it instantly, I'll just click on market. So once you click on market, enter the amount of USDT you want to invest or that you want to use to buy this coin. So let's say I want to buy with, let's say, $150, just for example, $150. Just click on it and then click on buy. And just like that, you've bought your BTC of 150 USDT. So let's go to the asset page to check it out. It will be under your unified trading account. So just click on unified trading. Let's open it. So you can see BTC. So this is the BTC you just bought for $150 right there. So that's exactly how you can buy any crypto of your choice or invest in any crypto of your choice on any exchange. So for example, if I make my video on the top 10 coins to buy for this month, which is coming out tomorrow, so please take note of that. Turn on your notification bell for the top 10 coins for this month. So with this bearish run we're having, I have some cryptocurrencies that you need to be investing in right now. I don't want to open it because these ones are different. Trust me, these 10 cryptocurrencies I'm talking about, they are different for this month. So once that video is out and you want to invest in any crypto of your choice, this is how to do it. Any crypto at all. Now, let's for example, you want to hold this crypto, you can hold it right here. Just leave it in this unified trading account. Just leave it for there and sell it anytime you're in profit. But let's say for example, you want this crypto to be earning passive income for you. You have a way of doing that. Now, for you to do that on Bybit, it is simple. Just come here to your asset page. So this is the assets page. Then come here to where you have N. So this N right here, just click on it. Most crypto exchanges have this feature. So whatever you're using, Bybit, Binance, BingX, BitGet, Wix, whatever exchange you're using, they have this feature right here, this N feature. So once you see the N feature right here, just scroll up. You have the different cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. So you have the you can see explore products, you have USDT, you have BTC, and so on right here. Now if you click on this is BTC because it's BTC I bought. Now this is BTC. So for BTC, you have the flexible option. This is the percentage for 30 days. You also have the percentage for flexible or fixed. You also have the percentage. So let's say for example you want to put your money in any one. These percentages are very low, but it's actually a way for your crypto to be earning passive income for yourself. They are very, very low. The percentages are low. You can see for USDT it is higher. You still have like up to 6% there. So you can pick any one of your choice. So let's for example I want to go with this flexible. I'll just click on it right there. And then what you just need to do is to come here and enter the amount you want to put in. So if you want to put in everything, just click on max and then come here and click on invest now. So once you click on invest now, to be in your N wallet. So I don't want to go ahead and do that. I don't want to lock it. So to be in your N wallet right here. And if you are picking flexible, please take note of that. If you are picking flexible, you can withdraw your money any day, anytime. If you are picking 30 days, it means that you can only withdraw your money after 30 days. And then if you are picking fixed right here, it means that you can only withdraw your money after a fixed period of time. They'll show you the period by the time you are doing it. So whichever option you want, just go ahead and do that. So that is everything for this video. If you enjoyed this video or got value from this video, please like this video, drop a comment below. Just go ahead and support the channel, drop a comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget, tomorrow we are dropping the video on the top 10 coins to buy for June 2026. And also, if you are watching this video after June of 2026, just still go to the channel. You'll still see the video on the top 10 coins to buy for the current month you're actually watching this video. And by the way, if you're a crypto trader, you want to learn crypto trading, here's a video on how to do futures trading on Bybit. And right here is a video on how to grow a small crypto trading account. And if you want to learn crypto trading, I have the link in the description below. If you want to learn crypto trading, just go ahead and click on the link right there. And don't forget to also create your account on Bybit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.